Hi everybody, I'm going to try to give Madam a little bit of a pruning session, well, spoiling session. Get this out of here, see if I can be quiet. Don't you dare run away from me now. Harriet, Harriet, come here. Come on, sweetheart, come on, because you like it. This is a new brush. I think I showed you before. You just press it, you can see I've been using it. You press it, and then you've got all the bits of that come to the fluff, and you can just pick them off like that. Now she's gone. And I've got a white here. And I haven't got any deodorant, not so downstairs. They're only like scented cat wipes. Come on. Can you see it? So you can jump. Come on. You can. You're a big girl. She's got on the floor, she's got a water fountain. And oh, then I had to put a little bowl of water there because the red lights come on, so it needs charging. I'm not going to do that till tomorrow now. Still working. So she's got a bowl of water, a water fountain, and what have you got? Strawberry jello. Only a little bit of strawberry jello. But she likes it. She does. Come on then. Come on. Just better see her. Come on. Be a big girl. Let's move over a bit. Let's move over. Just to... Oh, I've got my bottom in front of the camera. Do excuse me. So here she is. Here she is. Little Miss Mumbles. I'm walking around with lipstick on, haven't you, the other day? My son said, what's that on her back? Lipstick. I wonder where that came from. Does Mummy love you? Does she? Does your Mummy love you? She's got, tomorrow, she's got a flying bat coming. A bat. A battery operated bat that you can charge as well. And just set him off. And he'll go all over the room. So you do like that, and you love that. She's so cute. Don't you love that? And Mummy loves doing it for you as well. You do. You're such a good little cat. You are. Look at that big tail. Anyway, I owe you all an explanation, I think. I haven't been doing much by way of videos or anything. I haven't been doing much of anything. I don't know how to say it. When people talk about depression, or, you know, they use the word too much, depression. It's used all over the place for anything from, I don't know. It's just a very abused, overused word to describe something that isn't depression at all. Who am I to judge? Nobody, I don't suppose. But let me tell you from my own experience, I find, I'm finding it now difficult to say exactly how I've been feeling. I guess there are external reasons that I can't go into because it concerns other people. So there are external reasons that are affecting me and causing me to worry and pain, but it's more than just that. It's this awful feeling I don't know how to explain it. Awful feeling that everything I've done in my life, that my selfishness has been the main part of my life. But I've been for the first 18 years of our marriage, I was a very unselfish person. And for those first 18 years, Alf and the kids were enough, and they were enough. I shouldn't have gone on to do things that I did, and, you know, travelled overseas and all the rest of it. And I know that I caused Alf pain. I know that I did. But at the time, I suppose I didn't, because he seemed okay with everything. And he wasn't, and the kids weren't. Not really, although they were older then, you know, late teens, they weren't. And it all comes back to haunt you, and I've said this, that your karma you carry with you, your karma, and you live it every day. And with me, the days seem to be getting harder. I am very hard on myself because I wasn't hard on myself before, not at all. I don't know whether it's that. I don't know whether it's the other worries I've got. I don't know whether it's also with the pain in my back and this doubled overness, and I never thought anything like this would happen to me with the osteoporosis and being bent over and having to drag myself around and being told there's nothing that they can do. And as I said before, if I went in and threw £20,000-30,000 on the doctor's desk and said, do something, I'm sure there would be something that they would pick out of thin air that might help. That's not going to happen. So I'm quite isolated. You know, I can get out and meet a friend and do it, but I can't do the things I used to do even 2 years ago, even a year ago. I can't do them. That's how quickly this has brought me down. It's brought me to the point where I'm almost, I know it's not a word that is in use, but it's appropriate for how it's made me, and it's almost crippled me in that my back is so fragile. I need to change my doctor anyway. He did the review of my medication in July, didn't even contact me. How could he do it? He's an idiot. Didn't have the letter from the consultant. Can I take my copy into him? Consultant sent him a copy. Sent him the letter, I should say, and sent me a copy. They're always losing stuff. And I don't know why I'm still with them, because these are the doctors that I sued. I just feel really lost at the minute and down and not wanting to get dressed even, or bother with myself, or comb my hair. I'll look after you though. Right. Yes. We have our routine. She has her breakfast at a certain time within the hour. Don't you? And she's hovering over me. She won't let me forget that. And then the day when I'm just stuck in is taken up with the problem child here. Look at that belly. Look at that belly. It's a lovely belly. Jeez. It's only that way. So the best thing I could have done, I think, is get a cat, because she's kept me going and she's kept me on the go. You've been trying to pull my pyjamas off me, haven't you? Who's been pulling this? You? Look. Cheeky chops. I might do a live stream tomorrow, Friday. I said I was going to do one this week. And I usually find when I do a live stream that, you know, it cheers me up to talk and make me laugh. And I hope I'm a good host and that I do the same for you. I try, or I say I try, I'm my normal self on a live stream, and I'll come on and I'll talk to you and say hello and keep the chat going. But I remember watching a live stream recently where I don't know why I watched. I just started to what's this woman talking about, because it's cropped up a couple of times. So I started to watch it, and she was just looking at the chat, wasn't even, you know, responding to them or saying hello, and she was just looking at the chat and doing other things and messing with her hair and having a drink, and not, you know, this went on for about 5 minutes, which is quite a long time in a video, with her out, with her not saying, with her out, without her saying a thing. And I just found it really strange. I find it even stranger that she's got all these subs, because I don't know, it's almost like masochism. You're going into her streams and you sit there waiting for somebody to throw you a nugget so you can respond, but knowing that it's not going to come from her, probably. So I hope I am not like that in live streams, and that I come across a little bit better than that. And you give so much to me, You do. And I need to get back on here with you again and get back in the saddle, so to speak. Yeah, back in the saddle. We'll catch you later. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Mrs. No, she's too busy washing her paws. I'll be back.